So we're going to be doing a review on the Brapp box. I got one last month of September and I liked it quite a bit, so we're going to go ahead and dive into what we got this month. By the way, completely unsponsored, paid for this with my own money, just wanted to try it out and make a video for you. So we're going to get the reaction together. Open this up. First off, we got us a Brapp box sticker. Always nice stickers. Got a discount at AOMC.mx, so that's cool. See here, carbon fuel complex carbohydrates. Nice. We'll definitely give this a go, which is gluten-free. I am gluten intolerant, so that's also cool. We got the protein powder last month, which was pretty good. I tried it out. I like it. And let's see here, got another sticker. Oop, that's it. Not bad. A water powder, a water bottle to go with your carbohydrate fuel or juice fuel, whatever you want to call it. Got us a lanyard, a fly racing lanyard. That's pretty cool. Some HCB1 harsh condition formula for ultimate corrosion barrier, which looks like you can spray this on anything metal and keep it nice, kind of like WD or something. I don't know, we'll check that out, but that's pretty cool. We always do for stuff like that. Here's the big thing that came in it. It's the proper size. Fly Racing. I'll open that up for you here in a minute just to show it to you. But before that, we also got the newest issue of Racers X to keep you entertained and whatnot. And this is October. So for my reviews, last month I liked quite a bit. I got a wallet and a flag and a bunch of stuff. Like, actually, here's the flag from last month. Here's the wallet as well that I got last month, an AMF wallet. And also got AMF socks, so that was pretty cool. And then this month, I'm pretty happy too with the jersey. The lanyard, I mean, that's kind of novelty. Even the water bottle is kind of novelty, but it's also nice having an extra water bottle that you can toss about and not really care as much about. Always appreciate the things that are helpful in the garage. Yeah, we got zip ties last month as well. I did enjoy having some extra reading material. Man, I just take them to work. You know, I got some downtime at work. Sometimes I'll pull it out and flip through them, and I like reading the articles, all that. Plus trying to stay hydrated and all that. So pretty good value. So if this video was helpful at all, please leave a like, a comment, anything like that. Super appreciated. Let me know what I can do better, what you want more of, any of that. Please subscribe, hit that bell button, and I will see you guys in the next one.